Welcome to this Windows and Computer channel, and to answer a lot of questions, because everybody, when they see me go into the next version of Windows, is curious and always wonders, okay, well, should I do this or not? And here's the thing that I will say, okay? I always like to say that I'm the guy taking the chances so you guys don't, and at the same time it enables you guys to see what it's all about. And a lot of people have been finding that the start menu revamp, even though it's not a big change, it's a nice enough change that a lot of you are kind of interested in, suddenly going there to that new version of Windows, because the start menu does look better. I have to say, it is a minor but interesting change that makes it look kind of nice. But at the same time, that means, a lot of you are thinking, well, should I go there and should I do this? And, this is, I want to stress out that this is still beta software. What you have in the fall update, or the whatever update is going to be called, the 20H2 version, the next version of Windows, is you're still on a trial software. And that means you are taking some chances. If you decide that you really want to go there, you are going to take some chances. It's always like that. That said, the chances are very, it's very small, the risk of having problems, because first of all, this code is the same code as the May 2020 update. So, when I upgraded to this 20H2, in reality, 90% of the code is the same thing as the May 2020 update I had already. It's just that there's a small percentage of the code that was changed a little bit, tweaked, upgraded, and also, the interface and a few things have changed, and they have, tweaked some of the features. But overall, apart from the looks that are a little different, honestly, you're not getting really that much more. So, for anybody saying, is this stable, is this good, is this, you'll get it eventually. You'll get it this fall. It's going to arrive somewhere in October, November at the latest, and you'll be there at that time when it actually arrives, and that's it. Just wait for it. Anybody that is, and I always say this, everybody that is asking, should I go there? It's very simple. When you ask yourself, should I go there, or ask somebody else, you're already answering the question. Because anybody that wants to go there knows he wants to go there, and he'll do it. Because you'll be safe. You know that if something's wrong, you know what to do. If it doesn't install, if it goes bad, you know what to do. And those people are already there, like I am. If you're asking yourself, should I upgrade to this? Should I go there? Should I, because I like what it looks like? Well, if you're asking the question, you shouldn't be there. That means you probably don't have the knowledge, or maybe don't have what it takes to understand that you're taking a small but a risk by going to an unfinished beta software. That's mostly it. For the rest, a lot of questions about, so, is it stable? Does it work well? Do you have any glitches, any problems? Honestly, it works fine. I've had no issues at all, and I've been playing games. I've been doing a lot of stuff. I mean, it's my main PC. This is my main computer. And I have had zero glitches. So this means, that it's it looks pretty stable and pretty good. One of the things also, a lot of you are in have a problem with understanding where you are. And I understand somewhat because it's sometimes not super clear where are we exactly in Windows. So when we had the last update, with the May 2020 update, okay, look at the build number. The build number. Go to WinVer, WINVER. Go here, WinVer. Go at the build number. 19042.421 is where I am because I'm in the next version. You should be, if you're on the May 2020 update, at 19041.423. So people get a little mixed up of where they are. And I see a lot of people that probably didn't notice that they were in the beta channel insider. And they update to this and wonder why it's not 423 at the ending. That's because you're not on the May 2020 update. You're in the future. You're in the next update. This fall. 19042 is the next one. 19041 is the May 2020 update. It's very important to understand that difference. And I think a lot on the channel right now don't understand that difference. So if you kept yourself in the beta channel because you wanted to have the May 2020 update before everybody else, well, now you're on the fall update. Because you got to put that little button that says, get off of flighting when a version is over. And if you didn't do that, well, you didn't stay to that version. You continued forward. You continued staying in the insider program. So it's important to understand that and know where you are, because I think a lot of you are a little mixed up in your versions of Windows and don't understand. So and I've seen a subset say, well, I'm on the May 2020 update and I have that new start menu. Well, surprise, surprise, you're not. You're on the 19042 because this is not available in the May 2020 update. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.